Based out of Mumbai, Sarto Electro is all set to participate at IMTEX. In fact, this is the 5th time that they are participating. The company is into 3D printers, and here we are today with the marketing director of the company, Mr. Rohil Mehta. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you very much.
So sir, would you like to give a brief about your company?
Sure. I am Rohil Mehta from Sarto Electro Equipment Private Limited. We are situated in Mumbai Seeds Export Zone area. We represent various types of 3D printers from USA, from Germany, from Poland and from England. These 3D printers are resin with DLP light, resin with laser, and then we have last two HBD and Velo 3D for the metal and using laser technology. All these machines are useful for various manufacturing, prototyping and equipment which cannot be made in a normal procedure, mechanical procedure. So this machine is really very useful for Make It India projects.
So since this is the 5th time that you are participating in IMTEX, what kind of difference are you seeing in today's exhibition?
See, basically more and more customer and the client who come to the show, they have lot of information themselves. So, we are talking to the educated customer, visitors, they know the subject well, and that's a plus point, talking to them. Otherwise, sometimes it is very difficult to make them understand what we are doing. But with a customer who knows things, it is very easy. And it will go to the next level.
So we have seen that today is the 3rd day of IMTEX,
yes.
And we have seen that in the last 2 and in fact today your stall has been receiving a great amount of footfall. So what are your thoughts about that?
Basically these footfalls are necessary for spreading the good words about our machines. How many of them will convert into the order, that only future and the God knows. And I'm keeping my fingers crossed.
So you have talked a little bit about the Make in India campaign of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji.
Yes.
So what are your thoughts regarding that, about making India Atmanirbhar?
So basically Make in India means you have to make a product. To make a product you need machines. Now some of these machines are not available, not being manufactured here. So you have to import those machines which will in turn help you for Make in India. So you can make world-class product if you have a world-class machines. That's
Exactly.
the idea.
So we wish you all the very best for this exhibition, and it was really great interacting with you, knowing about your company and seeing that what kind of impact your company is also bringing to your customers, always keeping them at the forefront their needs. So it's really nice, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.